In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Odoo. To get started, open your Odoo dashboard and navigate to the Purchase app. This is where all purchasing activities are managed, including requests for quotation and confirmed purchase orders. Once you're inside the Purchase app, you'll be able to begin creating a new order from scratch. At the top left of the screen, click New. This opens a fresh purchase order form where you can enter all the required information. Take a moment here to carefully fill in the order details. Depending on your setup, this may include the vendor, the products or services you want to purchase, quantities, pricing, and any expected delivery information. The goal at this stage is to make sure the purchase order reflects exactly what you intend to buy, so it's a good idea to review each field as you go. After entering all the necessary details, you'll have two main options depending on where you are in your purchasing process. If you're still in the quotation stage and want to send the request to the vendor, click Send RFQ. RFQ stands for Request for Quotation, and this option is useful when you want to formally ask the vendor to review the order details before it becomes a confirmed purchase. If everything is already finalized and you're ready to proceed immediately, you can click Confirm Order instead. This turns the draft into an official purchase order in Odoo. Once confirmed, the order can move forward through the rest of your purchasing workflow, such as receiving products and processing vendor bills, depending on how your system is configured. Before sending or confirming, it's always a smart idea to quickly double-check the information you entered. Small mistakes in quantities, pricing, or vendor selection can cause issues later, so a brief review can save time and prevent confusion. And that's really all there is to it. Creating a purchase order in Odoo is a simple process. Open the Purchase app, click New, enter the order details, and then choose either Send RFQ or Confirm Order based on your needs. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and intuitive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand how to create a purchase order in Odoo.